I'm going to make apple pie. So I have my two crusts ready and I'm going to roll. I promise that I'll teach you how to make pie crust in another video. So flour is surfaced and now we're going to roll into a pie dish. 9 inches. So I'm going to roll this out 12 inches. I'm going to refrigerate this while I make the apples. So I have 3 pounds of apples that I'm going to peel and core. You can make tea with these scraps, by the way. Alright, so I'm done here. Now I'm going to slice. This is about 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so I'm going to cook the apples for about 7 minutes. This not only brings out the flavor, but ensures that the apples don't come out mushy inside. And also prevents that dome from forming, that space that happens sometimes between the crust and the apples. So all you have to do is cook until the apples soften a bit. Then I'm going to add flour and butter. So I have this on medium heat, by the way. And you just continue to move the apples around until you feel that they get soft. Alright, so this has been cooking for 5 minutes. You see all those juices. I'm going to go ahead and add 1/4 cup of flour and 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to cook just for about 2 minutes more. You want to make sure that the butter melts and that the sauce thickens a bit. Alright, I'm done. So that was 7 minutes total. So I'm going to let this cool up while I make the top crust. Okay, so I'm going to roll this out to 12 inches as well. Alright, so now we're going to bring the pie pan. Okay, so remove this for 1 second. Okay, so just add the apple. Oh, this pan is so heavy. So I know you were expecting it to be higher, but remember that the apples are already partially cooked. Okay, going to bring the crust back. So you just roll it up, okay? Okay, so I'm going to cut the excess. Pinch the two crusts together. Alright, there you go. Now I'm going to just slit the top a bit. I always bake the pan on top of a cookie sheet so that it can pick up the juices that might spill out. So I'm going to bake this at 375 for almost an entire hour or until it's 200 degrees inside. By the way, I forgot to record this, but I did brush egg on top of the pie before baking. You need 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk. So sorry about that. But you see how it does make it nice and brown. So just place on a rack and let it cool for a few hours before slicing.